Hello student, today I will discuss volume of and cuboid and cylinder. Now volume of cube where A is the side of cube and volume of cuboid length into width into height where L is the length, B is the width and H is the height of cuboid, and third volume of cylinder pi r square H. Now we discuss questions related to volume of given three-dimensional figure cube, cuboid and cylinder. Now start exercise 18.2 related to volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Now discuss question number first. Question number first, find the volume of a cube whose surface area is 96. Question first. Solution. Whose surface area is, now given that surface area of cube is equal to 96 centimeter square. As we know, surface area of cube is 6a square is equal to 96. Now 96 से कैंसिल आउट करेंगे तो where a square is equal to 16, a is equal to 4 centimeter. Now the side of cube is a centimeter. Now volume of cube is equal to a cube. Now 4 cube centimeter cube, that is 64 centimeter cube. This is the required answer. Now in similar way, question number 2, the area of floor of a room is 15 meter square. If the height is 4 centimeter, the volume of air containing in a room. So first we discussed in previous video volume of cube, cuboid and any three-dimensional figure is area of base into height. Now general formula of volume is equal to area of base into height. Now use this formula in question number 2. Question number 2 say area of floor given that area of floor is equal to 15 meter square and height of room is equal to 4 meter. Now find volume of air containing in a room. That implies area of base, area of floor, base is the floor into height. Now area of base is 15 into 4 height centimeter cube, not meter cube. Now area is 60 meter cube. This is the required answer. Now question number 3, volume of cuboid is 12 centimeter cube. Find the volume of cuboid whose side is double of its the cube of the cube given cube. So given question number 3 solution. Given that volume of a cube, volume of cuboid is equal to 12 centimeter cube. Now A L into B into H is equal to 12 centimeter cube. This is the equation number first. According to question, side of new cuboid is double of given cuboid, that is length of new cuboid is equal to 2, width is equal to 2, B and height is equal to 2h. Now volume of new cuboid is equal to 2L into 2B into 2H, that implies 8 into L into B into H. Using equation 2, now 8 into 12 लिखेंगे using equation first. Now 96 centimeter cube, which is the required answer. Question number 4. If the volume of two cubes are in ratio 8 into 1, then the ratio of their side. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Solution. Let side of cube या first cube is equal to a unit and side of second cube is equal to b unit. According to question, the ratio of volume of first cube upon volume of second cube is equal to 8 into 1. 8 into 1. Now volume of first cube is equal to a cube upon b cube is equal to 8 into 1. That implies a upon b whole cube equal to 2 upon 1 whole cube. Now a upon b is equal to 2 upon 1. That implies a into b is equal to 2 into 1. This is the required answer. The ratio of the side is 2 into 1. Now question number 5. The literal surface area of cube is equal to 256 meter square. Find the volume of cube. Solution. Given that lateral surface area of cube is equal to 256 meter square. That is, lateral surface area of cube is 4a square is equal to 256. A square is equal to 256 upon 4. 6, or this is the 4. Now a square is equal to 64. A is equal to 4 meter. Now volume of cube. Volume of cube is equal to a cube 60, that is 4 cube meter cube 64 meter cube. This is the answer. In similar way, question number 6 and question number 7, find the length of longest rod that can fit the cubical vessel of side 10 centimeter. Question number 7. Question number 7, side of cubical vessel. Cubical vessel is equal to 10 centimeter. Now, as we know, length of longest rod is equal to under root 3a. Now, under root 3 into 10 is equal to 10 root 3 centimeter. This is the required answer. Thank you, class.